Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and in this video I will show you how to remove and replace a Royal Enfield classic headlight assembly. So it's going to be a very interesting video guys, so come on, let's start the video. So the first thing is there will be a screw on top of the headlight like this. Take a plus screwdriver and loosen this screw. If you take this screw out completely, then there will be a clamp on the inner side of the assembly. That clamp will fall down, that I will show you later in this video. So remove this screw out completely and take out the front dome rim assembly. Once you take that out, leave all the wire connections which are there inside, and here I will show you. As you can see here, this is the clamp which had fallen inside. Once I took that screw out completely, keep this in a safe place. So with this, your front light assembly is now totally separated from the bike. Then take the light assembly, and here will be a metal locking system. So press this lock and take it up, then go on the other side and slide the lock out. Once you do that, your bulb assembly will now be totally separated from the bike. Now if you want to put a new bulb, then you can stop watching the video from right here and replace your bulb and put back the front part. But we are replacing the entire assembly here, so let's move on with that. So first you'll have to come down like this, and you will notice that there is a screw down here. This screw you will have to take out completely. Then you will have to come on the other side, and on this side also there will be a screw in the same place. That screw also you will have to take out completely. Once you take both those screws out, you will have to pull out the rim. Just move it and shake it a little bit, wiggle it a little bit and pull it out. So here my rim is now totally separated from the bike. As you can see how rusted it has become. Now this I will replace with a new one, but before that I will go to the light assembly part. So I will separate the dome from the rim here. Now this will be holding on with the help of these clips. These clips you will have to press and take out with the help of a screwdriver. So like this, take out all the clips, and once you are done taking out all the clips, your light dome will be totally separated from the rim. Now keep this on one side. Now this is my old cap ring assembly. This one I will replace with a new one now. So this is my new assembly. Now this back rim has cost me around 190 rupees and the front rim has cost me around 153 rupees. As you can see here, both these I have brought new ones. With that I have got this lock clips which I will use now, but before that I will put back the back rim. Now on this back rim there will be opening like this that you will have to face on top. That is the place where your clamp will fit. So put the back rim in correct position and then put back the two screws which you had taken out from the old rim and tighten them nicely. Once you put back those two screws, I will fit the dome onto the rim. So place it nicely. Once you place it nicely, take the cap part and put it inside on top side of the rim. If you don't do it like this, then it will fall down many times. So to avoid that, place it like this. Once you place it correctly, your glass should be nicely aligned from top to bottom. There will be something written on the glass that you should be able to read properly. It should not be slanting. There are lines on the glass dome. Those lines should be running from top to down in a vertical manner. So once you are done aligning it properly, the clamps which you had taken out, those clamps you will have to put back now. Now in a relaxing way, you will have to put all these clamps back. Here it can take you some time, but see that you put them back in a relaxing way, like how I am doing here. So once you are done putting back all these clamps, the next thing that you will have to do is you will have to put back the parking light bulb. Just press it and put it in position, and then you will have to put back your main headlight bulb, put it in position, and the clip locks which you had taken out, those you will have to secure now by putting them in the slot like this. And after that, all those wire connections you will have to connect back again. And once you connect all the wires back, now comes the important part, that is putting this clamp back. So keep the clamp in position and tighten the screw half the way. Don't tighten it fully, it should move like this. You will have to tighten it fully after putting the front rim back. So now you will have to put back your front rim assembly, put it in the clamp below and put it in position. Once you put it in position, your next thing is you will have to tighten the screw on top, and with that this clamp will hold your front rim assembly. So with this you are done replacing the Royal Enfield Classic front headlight assembly. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is RysFix signing out until we meet again.